Welcome to wizard.com. I am maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. Two numbers are in the ratio 2/6. If each number is increased by 12, then the ratio becomes 6/10. Then the numbers are what we have to find out. So first of all, we'll assume that our numbers that we have to find out is x and y. Now according to question, what we can say is that this ratio x by y is given as 2/6, or we can say 1/3. So we can write it x is equal to y is equal to 3x. So y is 3x. Let this be first equation. And also it is given that if each number, this x and y, is increased by 12, if this number is increased by 12 and also y is increased by 12, then this ratio becomes 6/10. So from here, if we solve this, this will be equal to x plus 12 by y plus 12 is equal to 3/5. Now let's cross multiply it and we'll get 5x plus 60 is equal to 3y plus 36 from here. Now if we simplify this, it will be equal to 5x minus 3y is equal to minus 24. Let this be second equation. Now with the help of this equation 1 and equation 2, we will get, let's simplify it. So we'll get 5x minus 3, and y we can see from equation 1 can be written as 3x. So this is equal to minus 24. Now let us solve this and find out the value of x and y. So from here we'll get x as 6, and we know that y is equal to 3x from equation 1. Y is equal to 3x. So y will be equal to 3 multiplied by x is 6, so that is equal to 18. Therefore we can say x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 18. So this is our required answer.